Annabelle. Mabel and Annabelle. You're noticing the names? So I'm going to check them a few things. I'm going to check their ears, very clean. The face, their eyes is very clean. The fur is very clean, and I love the two of them. I can already see the specks of white that Mommy has got. So let's check her gender and see. Gender is much clearer. You can see the slit there. This one is much clearer than the two Mabel and Annabelle that I've just checked. And again, when we look at the face and the eyes and everything, her fur looks nice. She's not got any rubbish underneath her. I'm really debating in my head if this one is heavier than 1.1 kg. She's not the same as the two of them, Mabel and Annabelle, that I've just checked out. So she's a bit lighter, on the lighter side. So I'm gonna drop her to go and chill. Picking the big ones up. So let's see what we can see with these ones. They are all healthy, but obviously they haven't got the same kind of growth rate. They will never be the same. So let's see if we can check the weight of these one. And quite close to the 1.1 mark, which I think is the average 1.1 mark. So, and she's also looking very good. Let me just double check if it's truly a she. And oh, it's truly a she. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see a clear slit right there, and it's a she. These are beautiful. From now on, if anyone wants a pet rabbit, white or black girls, Rabbito Farmino, give me a shout, direct message me, and let's take it from there. So I'm gonna quickly, this one is very fidgety. So I'm gonna just quickly check. She gave me a gift, so I can tell clearly that this is a girl. Got a slit there. That is a girl. Let's check her weight. Remember, one of the white ones was the lightest among them. I think it's either this one or the next one, but just under the 1 kg mark, which is good. There's this one, they've all got very good vigor, which means they've got a lot of energy. So I'm gonna check this one, and clearly I can see a clear slit, which tells me she's a girl. Let's check her weight and see. So I think this was the lightest one, and she's still the lightest one at 900 grams. 900 grams, but her progress is good from 600 to 900. So she's putting on 300 grams within this period. So I've allowed them to roam about and chill about. As you can see, they just love, sorry, I can't get it correctly. They just love the garden, just jump about. Oh, what a speed. Even though the garden is a work in progress, and it's been a construction field for the past like 2 days, they still love it.